Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are good and doing well. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about the physical and non-physical wave functions. What are the conditions that make the function as a physical and non-physical wave functions? So, let's start the video lecture. Myself, Virendra Kumar, professor and scientist, and you are watching Sai Academy channel. So, friends, let's define the condition what makes the function as a physical and non-physical. So, friends, if a function and its derivative are finite, continuous, single valued everywhere, and the most important thing is if it is integrable, then the function is said to be physical. And if these conditions are not fulfilled by the wave function, then the function is not physical and it is called unphysical. We will get understand by the help of examples. So firstly, the conditions for the function to be physical is function. Suppose this is fx is a function and its derivative are finite, continuous, single valued everywhere, and integrable. Now let us take the example. So we are given fx is 3 sine pi x, gx is equal to 4 minus modulus x, and h square x is equal to 5x, ex function is equal to x square, and you have to decide whether these functions fx, gx, h square x and ex are physical wave function or on is physical wave function. So since first we take this, if fx is given sine pi x, since this function is finite and its derivatives are also finite, continuous, let's find the derivative. Fx dash is equal to 3 cos pi x. So now it is continuous as well as derivatives are finite, single valued, and can be integrated. So this function is physical wave function. The other functions gx is not continuous. You can see that its derivative is not continuous. Derivative will be constant or finite also. It is not square integrable also. And similarly, h square x is not single valued. If you will take the square root, it will give the two values. So it is not single valued. And the function ex is equal to x square is neither finite nor square integrable. Therefore, for the function to be physical, the function should be finite and its derivative should also be finite, should be continuous, single valued everywhere, and should be square integrable. Then the function is called the physical wave function. Otherwise, it will be unphysical wave function. Friends, I think you like this video and enjoyed the video. Please share this with your friends so that they can also learn about this concept. And please subscribe the Sai Academy channel if you have not subscribed till now, and press the bell icon for the notification of the upcoming videos. Thank you.